Welcome to our new series where we show you how to make delicious food for people just like us, lazy people. We love a shortcut and hopefully you guys too, and that's why you clicked on this video. If you're feeling a bit lazy, the last thing you want to be doing is chopping up loads of stuff in the kitchen. That is why for these recipes we are using things from the supermarket that are kind of gonna, they're a little bit of a cheat. They're gonna help you get towards a delicious meal but without doing loads of the prep. So we've got some shop bought gnocchi here, and then we've gone for a pot of arrabiatta sauce. So obviously you can make your own sauce, but the whole point here is that we're feeling lazy. We don't want to do that. So we're buying shop bought, but we're going to level these two things up by adding lots of other really nice ingredients so it feels like you've got a really beautiful, delicious home cooked meal. First thing we're going to add to our pan is oil, and instead of using like an olive oil or an oil from a bottle in the cupboard, we are going to use the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes just because it's going to be infused with that lovely tomatoey flavour. Because we're feeling lazy today, we're not going to chop our garlic, we're going to pop it in the garlic press. If you don't have a garlic press, then you could grate it, or for ultimate easiness you could use the pre-chopped garlic that comes in the little jars from the supermarket. To bulk out the arrabiatta sauce that we bought from the supermarket, we're going to add in a can of chopped tomatoes. We're also going to add in about half a can of water. There's no need to measure out in like a measuring jug or anything. Just fill up your empty tomato can with the water and then it will get out all the kind of leftover remnant tomato bits. We've put the vegan cheese on and it's all ready to go into the oven. We're going to bake it for about 15 minutes until the cheese is melted and some of the liquid has reduced. We're going to top our baked gnocchi with some vegan pesto, and usually we love to make our own pesto, but buying it from the shop is just so much more convenient.
That is so good. It is so rich and flavourful, and there is no way you would ever know that this is a packet sauce. You could put this together for like a dinner party and people would be wowed.
So this series is all about showing you guys how to make lazy food, and the key to that is doing lots of little tricks and tips that we are going to share with you, things that you can buy from the supermarket that you can jazz up at home to create something a little bit more special than your kind of like bog standard meal. For this recipe we're going to be using some shop bought vegan fish fingers as the kind of main part of our meal. These are delicious pimped up vegan fish finger burgers. They take about 12 minutes to cook in the oven, so we're going to put them in straight away at the beginning. This is also a great time to put in some chips if you want to have it with chips. For ultimate laziness, get some frozen ones. If you can be bothered, then obviously homemade. So yeah, we're going to start with putting the fish fingers in now. So if we were being really lazy, we could just literally eat the vegan fish fingers in a bun, but to make this a bit more tasty, we're going to make a really nice vegan tartar sauce, and we can do it whilst the fish fingers are in the oven, so we're not spending any extra time. The basis for that is a mayo, so we're going to be using vegan mayo obviously, and we love using the Plant Pioneers from Sainsbury's. It's really good value and it tastes great. We also really like the Hellmann's vegan mayo, and Leon also do really nice vegan mayos as well. They're a bit more on the pricey side, but they do taste great. So our fish fingers are now done. They took about 13 minutes and our tartar sauce has been made in that time. So now all we have to do is construct the burger. That's so good. Can't believe that only takes 15 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope you're enjoying this new series, Lazy Food for Lazy People. Please let us know in the comments if you're going to try any of these meals or if you're enjoying this series so far, because we've got a lot of lazy meal ideas coming up that we really want to make.
Yes, we have so many of these lazy meal ideas, little hacks, little shortcuts that we can't wait to share with you guys. Make sure you hit subscribe and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.